Are you feeling overwhelmed by your marketing tasks? Does managing endless posts, analytics, and customer engagement seem like too much to handle? Many small business owners face the same challenges, and it's okay to seek help. Imagine having a partner that handles the heavy lifting for you. That's where AI steps in to lighten your load. How can AI help your small business thrive? AI tools can automate repetitive tasks, provide deep insights into your customer behavior, and engage your audience with precision. Whether it's creating content, optimizing your ad spend, or analyzing data, AI has got you covered. Want to learn how to start? Visit us at cardigital.io/blog for step-by-step guides designed to help you transform your business with AI. Start today and discover how AI can boost your marketing efforts, save you time, and elevate your business to new heights. Embrace AI and watch your business thrive.